Introducing the epitome of exclusivity in the world of motorcycles, the BRABUS 1300R Masterpiece Edition. Too rare to ride, this limited series masterpiece marks the end of an era with only 50 last masterpieces. Available in 2 exclusive color variants, Onyx Black and Diamond White, each limited to just 25 units worldwide. For the first time, this limited edition naked bike showcases an all-new carbon fiber package, adding to its allure. Highlight features include the round headlight mask, carbon side panels, power domes, and BRABUS signature stripes, showcasing its bold and distinctive design. The bespoke heated seat, meticulously reupholstered by BRABUS saddlery, features the exquisite BRABUS diamond rising stitching pattern. Powered by the formidable KTM 1290 Super Duke R Evo's 1301cc V-twin engine, delivering an impressive 180 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque. The dual-pipe slip-on exhaust not only complements its bold looks but also emits the aggressive sound of its sporty V-twin symphony. Equipped with lightweight 17-inch BRABUS monoblock Z forged wheels in an exclusive gold-platinum finish, enhancing its performance and style. And with semi-active suspension technology from WP, this masterpiece ensures a smooth and exhilarating ride. The BRABUS 1300R Masterpiece Edition, a testament to true exclusivity and unparalleled craftsmanship.